Inside Spotify Camp Nou, the transformation is accelerating, and today's update brings some of the most visible changes yet. Big structural movements, fresh glass installations, and new materials arriving on site. Real progress is unfolding across the stadium. From Tribuna to Gol Sur and Gol Norte, key sections are entering decisive phases of construction. If you want to see where the biggest upgrades are happening right now, this is an update you don't want to miss. Let's get started and dive straight into today's most exciting and jaw-dropping updates from inside the stadium. We're now moving to Tribuna, and there's clear progress here. New prefabricated seating sections have arrived, with one already positioned on the diamond area ready for lifting. Steel work around the elevator cores is highly advanced, including a newly installed green structural piece. Black service tubes are also being installed beneath the hollow core slabs, marking strong infrastructure advancement in this sector. Now moving to the diamond glass section, and today's big update is the installation of the previously missing corner glass panels. These are now fully in place. The only remaining elements are the upper glass sections above the entrance doors, with lifting equipment already positioned for their final installation. In the store diamond area, groundworks are actively progressing. Machinery is leveling and redistributing soil in front of the entrance, shaping and preparing the access zone for the next phase. Now to the biggest update in Gol Sur. A large vertical structural element is being positioned by crane, while lifting platforms operate across multiple levels. Material containers are being hoisted upward, showing strong activity and coordinated work throughout this sector. In the corner of Gol Sur, sandwich panels have now reached the first cantilever level. Steel framing around the elevator shafts continues to advance steadily. Teams are finalizing support brackets and anchor points, preparing the area for the upcoming facade slat installation. In this corner, slat installation is essentially complete. Both the bracket zones and the false ceiling areas are finished. Lifting platforms are still active, but current work is focused on the interior section to the left. The next visible slat progress is expected in the adjacent sector. Moving to the lateral side, there's strong activity across multiple levels. A lifting platform with 4 workers is operating inside the structure, while additional teams continue preparing areas for sandwich panel installation. Concrete pumps are positioned on site, indicating slab works are either underway or about to resume, particularly in the upper sections where reinforcement mesh was recently placed. Material containers are also being lifted to supply upper levels. On the lateral pillars, workers are installing new connection brackets. These fittings will support upcoming facade or structural elements. Scaffolding remains secured between radial beams, allowing safe access to upper working zones. Large compression ring pillars are being prepared with yellow support components. These elements are staged and ready for lifting in the coming days, marking important structural progress in this area. A major update in Gol Norte. Glass installation has started in the corner. 4 glass panels are already in place, and lifting equipment with suction systems is actively positioning additional panels. Insulation materials are already installed above, signaling steady facade completion. Material deliveries continue in this sector, with large trucks bringing structural components, insulation, and compression ring elements. Near the Tribuna Corner, new materials have arrived on site. It appears that the first sandwich panels for this area may now be on delivery, though confirmation is pending. Tube installation at the 4th level remains unchanged, with earlier sections already in place. Support connections installed last week remain visible, and the next phase will likely focus on installing slat supports once remaining bracket sections are completed. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next major construction milestone.